The Renault Trafic is now available with a dual-clutch automatic transmission and stands out among the popular rivals by offering superior payload and towing capacities. It also stands out physically thanks to a chic Euro design. In Australia, the 2020 Trafic comes standard with advanced LED headlights that Renault calls Pure Vision. It says these provide 50% more light on full beam than conventional halogen lights. This could be very useful for regional drivers. Aside from the distinctive front-end design, the rest of the exterior showcases a fairly typical boxy van shape. Twin barn doors are featured at the back, which can be preferred in tighter loading situations, but they don't provide any shelter in the rain. Underneath, you'll find a pretty basic rear suspension setup as the Trafic is front-wheel drive. There's also durable 16-inch steel wheels wrapped in 215/65 eco-focus tyres. The tall sidewalls help a little bit to optimise ride comfort. Taking a look inside, it's not as sparse or basic in design as you might think. Renault has clearly borrowed some of its passenger car themes. The dashboard presents a comprehensive 7-inch touchscreen, complete with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and there's even a semi-digital instrument cluster for the driver. It's a bit of a shame there are no grab handles on the A-pillar, like you get in the Toyota Hiace and Hyundai iLoad, and it's disappointing that Renault persists with offering uselessly shallow cup holders. But overall, this cabin is a nice place to be, especially for this segment. The cargo area is large and versatile. While the solid partition separating the passenger compartment might be seen as a negative to some, it results in a more refined and quieter driving experience. Tie hooks are located in every corner and more, and there's a 12-volt socket right at the back, which will no doubt come in handy for some drivers. Powering this example is a 2-litre turbo diesel. The power and torque levels are good for this class, and since the Trafic is relatively light in weight, performance is more than respectable. It's actually pretty fun to drive. Fuel economy is also good. This is what it goes like